What's up, guys? Just got off work a little while ago, and I came home, and this was sitting on the table. So the old girlfriend went to the store, said, it was funny too, she said, "Babe, it says hobby on it, and I thought that's what you wanted." So we'll see what we got in here. It's seen a couple of these broke before. The Mega Box 7 packs, 2 hobby packs. So she's trying, and it's always nice to come home to a box of cards. So we'll rip into this and see what we got. Nothing in it. And it comes with 3 exclusive Chrome rookie cards. I guess we'll open those first. 2 packs of Valor. I don't know. And then these. So let's see what we got in here. I don't know if they're all the same with these. So we got Kevin White, Jameis Winston, and Melvin Gordon. There's Melvin Gordon. Kevin White. And Jameis Winston. The card's a little bent, but it's all good. So, not bad ones here. So we'll save the Valor. Let's get into the tops. Let's see what we get. Jason Morrow, Dez Bryant, Tyler Eifert, Devontae Adams, Peyton Manning. Out of 2015, we have a 49ers team card. Put that over there. 1,000-yard club, Dez Bryant, Anthony Barr, Demaryius Thomas, Aaron Rodgers, Cameron Artis-Payne, and Owamebe Odigizua. So, Eric Decker, Joseph Randall, Jacksonville Jaguars team card, Tom Brady, Dez Bryant, Fantasy Focus Roethlisberger, Carolina Panthers team card, Julio Jones, Vincent Jackson, Dante Fowler, and Jeremy Langford. And then another gold Fred Jackson out of 2015. I don't know, does every pack have a gold in it? I don't remember getting this many. Geno Smith, Mohamed Sanu, Oakland Raiders team card, Mike Pouncey, Le'Veon Bell, 4,000-yard club Aaron Rodgers, AJ Green, 50th anniversary. It's pretty cool. Aaron Rodgers All-Pro, Clay Matthews, Mason Crosby, Garrett Grayson, and Nate Orchard. So a little Green Bay action in there. The dog is doing some weird shit. You hear some weird noises. What are you doing, crazy? You come say hi? You wanna come say hi? Eli Manning, Jonathan Stewart, Tennessee Titans team card, Fantasy Studs Jordy Nelson, Patrick Peterson, Steve Young, all-time fantasy leaders, Maurice Pouncey, Colin Kaepernick, Torrey Smith, Levi Norwood, Kenny Bell, and Marcus Mariota. Shout out Denny. Put that one off to the side for you. What are you doing? Crazy. Xavier Rhodes, Devin Hester, Chargers team card, Kobe Fleener, Fantasy Studs, Matt Forte, 1,000-Yard Club, Marshawn Lynch, Russell Wilson, Kelvin Benjamin, Roethlisberger, rookies of Denarius Randall and Eli Harold. Nothing crazy today. I gotta do some stuff after this, so can't pop open the brew yet. Struggle's real on this one. We have Lamar Miller, Stephon Taylor, Green Bay Packers team card, Tony Romo, Roethlisberger, Fantasy Focus Matt Ryan, J.J. Watt, 60th anniversary. I think I said 50 last time, but it's 60. Jarvis Landry, Andrew Luck, Adam Vinatieri All-Pro, David Cobb, and Mike Davis rookie cards. And last pack before the two Valors. Allen Hurns, Cam Chancellor, Atlanta Falcons team card, Troy Polamalu, Defensive Player of the Year, J.J. Watt, A.J. Green, Past and Present Performers with Ickey Woods on the back. Ickey Woods, A.J. Green, it's a pretty cool card. Fantasy Studs, Jimmy Graham, not this year, Steven Jackson, Blake Bortles, Mike Evans, and then rookie cards of Brandon Sheriff, and Trey Waynes. All right, so we got these two. Let's see if we get something. Be cool. Matthew Stafford, Peyton Manning, Phil Simms, Gridiron Warriors, Greg Olson, Gale Sayers, and Jerry Rice. So nothing in that pack. None of them are numbered either. All right. Hope. Get something in this one. John Elway, Len Dawson, Desmond Trufant, Antonio Brown, Devontae Adams, and Emmanuel Sanders. So struck out nothing. So definitely nothing exciting. A whole bunch of base with some rookies, but I guess it's the thought that counts, and I'll let her know that. Just tell her I got something out of it. Show her a card or something. But not bad. I think she spent $20, so I got a couple numbered cards. Like I said, nothing exciting. Kind of sucks with the hobby box of Valor. I just got nothing out of it. Not even a numbered card. But that's what you get sometimes. But thanks for watching, guys. Maybe when the mailman comes, I'll have a little something to show you guys later on. Have a good one.